Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make image change when you hover over in Wix Studio. So let's just begin with this. So first of all, you can see I have my two images ready. So this is a site I was working on, and let's assume that you want to make that hover effect where image changes. So let's just choose which image should appear once we hover a mouse on top. So let's just say this image should appear. So this is some kind of desert and this is some kind of fruit, so this should be on top. So you can right click and head over to arrange and choose bring forward, just like that. Now make sure that both of these are aligned perfectly, and now on top image you need to head over to this little arrow on top right. There you have this animations and effects section. You can see here you have hover, and click on add and choose appear. Once you do that, now it's time to publish and we need to head over to the preview section. So let me just really quickly do that. Once I head over to my preview section, you can see this side is over here, and let's just click on done. Once I hover on top of that, you can see the image changes. So how nice this looks, and that's how easy it is.